Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are revising the lesson and today we will revise the remaining part of chapter 2 exercise portion. So let's start today's class. You can see here is the chapter 2 longitudes and latitudes for you. Dear student, in this lesson we have already discussed about spot check and word bank, and the remaining part will be discussed today. So you can see here, first one is circle the correct options. Circle the correct options in this exercise. In this exercise, you have to circle one correct answer between two. Two answers are given in the brackets and you have to choose the correct one. So first question is, how many lines of latitudes are there? Yes student, how many lines of latitude are there? Yes, how many lines of latitude are there? Guess, can you tell? You just try. Yes student, answer will be 181 latitude, 181 lines of latitude are there in the globe. So answer will be 181. Dear student, above equator, from equator to north pole, above equator 90 degree and below equator 90 degree, and each degree contain one lines of latitude. So 90 degree above and 90 degree below means 90 line above and 90 line below, and one is equator itself. So answer will be 181 lines of latitude are there. Next is, who circumnavigated the earth to prove that it is spherical in shape? Who circumnavigated the earth to prove that it is spherical in shape? Yes student, the person was who? Ferdinand Magellan or Copernicus? Two options are given here. What will be your answer? Tell and see what is your performance, what you have learned. So my dear student, in this question answer will be Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was the person who circumnavigated the earth to prove that it is spherical in shape. And next one is, which line of longitude is assumed to be the crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich? Yes student, in this question you have to tell the line which is crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich. So answer will be what? North Pole or Prime Meridian? Can you tell? Can you tell me? Yes student, the correct answer will be Prime Meridian. Prime Meridian is the line which is assumed to be crossing the Royal Observatory in Greenwich. Next is, which latitude is also called the Great Circle? Which latitude is also called the Great Circle? Answer will be what? Two options are here, South Pole and Equator. And question is, which latitude is also called the Great Circle? Yes student, I have told you Great Circle which will be the correct one? Judge yourself, see yourself, choose one correct answer in these both two, South Pole and Equator. Great Circle. Great Circle is related with Equator. So correct answer will be Equator. And next is, what is the network of intersecting lines used to find the exact location of a place known as? See it again. What is the network of intersecting lines used to find the exact location of a place known as? The network of intersecting line used to find the exact location of a place known as, two option is given here, grid and Arctic Circle. Yes student, the correct answer will be, I hope you have selected your correct answer. If not, then correct answer will be grid. Correct answer will be grid. Yes student, grid is the network of intersecting lines used to find the exact location of a place known as grid. I have already made this diagram and I hope you understand. It's all about circle the correct answer options, and now we are going to discuss about the next exercise, that will be fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, you have to fill these blanks with correct word. So first question is, the shape of the earth is like an dash but slightly flattened at the top and at the. See, the shape of the earth is like an is like an orange is like an orange is like an orange but slightly flattened. Flattened मतलब बेटा चपटा, दबा हुआ. Flattened at the top and at the poles. Next is, dash meet at the poles and they are furthest apart at the equator. Dash meet at the pole. Which line meet at the pole? Longitude and which line? Dash meet at the poles. So answer will be lines of longitude. Lines of longitude. And next is, dash are parallel equidistant lines at a distance of 1 degree towards the north and the south from the equator. Dash are parallel equidistant line. Parallel equidistance line means equidistance line means parallel equidistance line means lines of latitude. Lines of latitude. Lines of latitudes. Lines of latitudes are parallel equidistant line at a distance of 1 degree towards the north and the south from the equator. And next, second last is, dash is located at 66.5 degrees south from the equator. Dash is located at 66.5 degrees south from the equator. That is Antarctic Circle. That is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle will be the correct answer. And next is the lines of longitude run from dash to dash. The lines of longitude runs from north to south. So answer will be north to south. Answer will be north to south. So my dear student, I hope you understand and do the proper revision at your home and prepare yourself for the PT exam, and do comment in comment box and read the chapter many times. If you will read the chapter, you will get the idea about the answer. So wish you a happy day and good day.